So here now, we out in the bush, in this part of the forest, with a crew. Well, you know, my sister, he call himself Justin.
And Chris from between our walk and a hard place. I can do.
And O'Neil, the wild man from TikTok.
Wild West Indies.
Right, so we're going to head out there now. What kind?
A frog. Yeah.
What this frog? We come across this Ui, what is it? Ewe, one of them named caterpillar. It looks so pretty, but you see them hairs there. It is venomous and it could cause pain and make your day uncomfortable. It can't really kill, but the venom is enough to make you cry. It's annoying. This is a very beautiful, one of my favorite caterpillars to see, but it not all. See how he raising up here.
Ready to stick.
Yeah. Oh, and our next one. Come on, next one up in the tree. Let me see where you get there.
You catch him, dog. What is called this? Armored Pleiku. Armored Pleiku.
Well, not really, but yeah.
You looking weird though.
Yeah.
It's the man playing back in, yes.
I don't know if you can make it out, but there's a kingfisher right there. Yeah.
Bigger.
A kingfisher.
Oh.
Right there on the,
Oh,
on the
good.
stick. Yeah. Look at that. Found the ball scene, looking like a female. Yeah, this look like a female. A nice female there. I believe there's a female. She looking like if she gravid, like if she have juveniles in her babies. Look how that looking. Snake of the night. I'm glad we actually find something. Morning. Well, we didn't see much last night, only like a ball scene. This morning we have eggs and bread, staple diet at the camp. We start fire. My sister here.
Christopher.
Yes, he called himself Christopher. Christopher, and well, the rest of them down by the river. So let me see to start cooking. Yeah, so we heading out. We got the crew there behind there, and we heading out in the bush. We didn't really see much last night, hoping to see some things this morning. It's kind of late though, but we go see things. Let me see what we find. Another gallop. A gallop right there.
Lapua Guti. It's still in the water.
Come
in
on.
front.
Okay, let me go.
No, it's not otter. There's a Guti.
There's a lap.
There's a lap.
Like a lap.
Big
right
lap.
there. Shh, 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 shh. It is.
Big lap.
Yeah. It's a lap. You have it on camera.
A big lap.
A lap.
Oh my god.
Look a lap. A lap. Hey, come. There's a lap somewhere in this water here. I feel you're gonna come up around here, sir. Look, a lap. A lap. Just now. Oh, look, he moving. He moving, he going back, so. So we walking. The lap was just coming up, going down. And so we get fed up by just waiting around, and so we just leave. We are now hearing some hunting dogs in the distance. This camp was not as fruitful as the other camps, but we still enjoy ourselves. Some people, for the first time, they saw some of these creatures, and well, I glad they did. So for the rest of the day, we just enjoy ourselves, hang around until it was time to go. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog as well. So as you all know, I am the Wildlife Master. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And until next time, blessings and bless out.